that.
This is my AR build-up, the AR pistol. I really didn't know what I was doing, but everybody wanted an AR, and they're talking about we're not supposed to have ARs, and you know, but everybody's saying it's so cool, and so I had to get one. But being a pistol guy, I decided I'd just build me on my own pistol. And this is officially a handgun. It is actually illegal to put that against your shoulder.
Yeah, I've heard that. Yeah.
It is actually supposed to be a wrist brace. There is one little flaw in that. It's nearly impossible to line it up properly
to see the sights. Yeah.
with the sights using the wrist brace.
So you assembled it all yourself?
Pardon?
You assembled it all yourself?
Yeah. I bought it just like Johnny Cash's Cadillac, one piece at a time.
Okay.
And I actually got into it a little too fast because they're the kind of thing, if you knew what you were doing, it would take you 20 minutes to put all the parts together. Not knowing what I was doing, it took a little longer than that. I don't have iron sights on it at all, just a red dot sight. And
so it's an Anderson lower?
Yeah, it's just...
What kind of barrel do you know?
No, I do not even know the name. It's a 10.5-inch barrel with a muzzle brake. It's kind of considered mandatory, I guess, although they have no kick. It's not. But I got one that would direct everything forward as much as possible. My handguard, you'll notice, is also a little longer than the barrel.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah.
That's semi-planned. One thing you can do with this that you couldn't do with any other rifle.
Oh yeah.
Is lean it up against a tree like that, and you're not touching the barrel.
Right.
And I figured it'd help. To me, the AR barrel's attachment looked fragile. It's just all hooked to the receiver, which is aluminum, and it's hooked back here, just screwed on, and that just didn't look very well protected to me. And so I like the idea of completely covering it. Besides, it made the little 22 poodle popper look like it was something really big, monstrous.
Yeah, yeah. Looks like a bazooka or grenade launcher. So is it ready to take some shots? Whoa, that is loud. It's really loud.
Can't tell if I'm hitting it or not.
It's loud under this roof.
I hit that.
Did you hit it?
Yeah, I'm not seeing a lot of flash. Are you?
No, I didn't see any. We can check this.
Obviously. Not really going to get any accuracy that way. You do get a little bit of kick. I mean, it doesn't feel like it kicks in, but obviously it does rise a little bit.
Yeah, yeah. I saw when you quick shot it rose a little bit.
You want to try a few?
Sure.
I'm going to take a couple of shots with the AR pistol.
Yeah, how are you looking through the sight? It's nailing that. I was nailing the goose. That is percussive.
She hit me.
I think that's it.
Is that it?
Did it stay open? Yep. Yeah, it stayed open.
You let me shoot once. That's okay. I'm good.